Supply chain Internet of Things is transforming how businesses track and manage goods throughout distribution networks. This technology combines asset tracking with real-time condition monitoring to provide unprecedented visibility and control over logistics operations. Through connected sensors and intelligent devices, companies can now monitor every stage of their supply chain journey. Supply Chain IoT uses connected sensors and devices to monitor goods as they move through distribution networks. These smart devices provide real-time visibility into the location, condition, and status of assets throughout their entire journey. By linking physical assets with digital systems, businesses gain end-to-end tracking capabilities and automated monitoring that was previously impossible. This technology creates a seamless flow of information from warehouses to delivery destinations. Several key technologies power modern supply chain IoT systems. GPS tracking provides real-time location data for vehicles and shipments, enabling precise route monitoring and accurate delivery estimates. RFID tags, or radio frequency identification, allow automatic identification and tracking of tagged items without requiring line-of-sight scanning. Environmental sensors monitor critical conditions like temperature, humidity, shock, and light exposure to ensure proper handling of sensitive goods. Cloud platforms tie everything together, providing centralized data storage and analytics systems that process information from all connected devices in real time. Asset tracking in supply chain IoT follows a systematic process. First, businesses attach IoT sensors or RFID tags to products and containers. These tags then continuously collect data about location and environmental conditions. The sensors transmit this information wirelessly to cloud-based systems that analyze and store the tracking data. Finally, stakeholders can view real-time dashboards and receive automatic alerts whenever issues arise, enabling quick responses to potential problems. Condition monitoring is essential for maintaining product quality during transit. IoT sensors track various environmental factors including temperature fluctuations, humidity levels, shock and vibration, light exposure, and even tampering detection. The key benefits of this monitoring include ensuring product quality throughout transit, receiving immediate alerts when conditions violate acceptable ranges, maintaining compliance documentation for regulatory requirements, reducing spoilage and damage rates, and ultimately improving customer satisfaction through reliable product delivery. Implementing IoT in supply chains delivers substantial optimization benefits. Companies achieve faster deliveries through optimized routes and real-time adjustments. Cost reduction comes from lower fuel consumption, reduced waste, and efficient resource allocation. Tracking accuracy improves dramatically, eliminating guesswork and enhancing delivery precision. Inventory control becomes automated, preventing both shortages and overstocking situations. Customers gain visibility into their shipments with accurate tracking updates and delivery notifications. Perhaps most valuable, the data insights reveal patterns that enable continuous process improvement across the entire supply chain. Supply Chain IoT serves diverse industries with specific needs. In food and beverage, temperature-controlled monitoring ensures perishable goods maintain proper conditions from farm to table, with cold chain tracking preventing spoilage of fresh produce, dairy, and frozen foods. The pharmaceutical industry relies on strict monitoring of temperature and handling to ensure medication efficacy and regulatory compliance, particularly crucial for vaccine distribution requiring precise temperature control. E-commerce companies track millions of packages simultaneously, providing customers with real-time updates while optimizing warehouse and delivery operations. Manufacturing sectors track raw materials and components across global supply chains, with automotive manufacturers using just-in-time production systems that monitor parts from suppliers to assembly lines. Implementing supply chain IoT does present challenges that organizations must address. The initial investment in hardware, sensors, and infrastructure setup requires significant upfront costs, though starting with pilot programs and scaling gradually helps manage expenses. System integration can be complex when connecting IoT devices with existing software and databases, but standardized APIs and middleware platforms provide solutions. Data security remains critical for protecting sensitive shipment and business information from cyber threats, requiring robust encryption and access controls. Connectivity issues arise when maintaining reliable data transmission across remote or rural areas, which can be addressed through hybrid networks and edge computing strategies. The future of supply chain IoT promises exciting innovations. AI-powered predictions using machine learning will forecast delays, optimize routes automatically, and predict maintenance needs before failures occur. Blockchain integration will provide immutable tracking records through distributed ledgers, enhancing transparency and trust across supply chains. Autonomous vehicles, including self-driving trucks and delivery drones, will integrate seamlessly with IoT tracking systems for fully automated logistics operations. 5G connectivity will enable ultra-fast networks supporting real-time data processing and massive IoT device deployments globally, unlocking capabilities that current infrastructure cannot support. Organizations ready to implement IoT tracking should follow essential steps for success. Begin by assessing your needs, identifying which assets require tracking and what conditions need monitoring. Next, choose appropriate technology by selecting suitable sensors, tags, and connectivity solutions for your specific use case. Start small with a pilot program of limited scope to test and refine your approach before full deployment. Integrate systems by connecting IoT data with existing warehouse and logistics management software. Train your teams on using dashboards, interpreting alerts, and responding to issues effectively. Finally, scale up by expanding tracking to more assets and locations based on your pilot program success. Supply Chain IoT is revolutionizing logistics through several transformative capabilities. The Internet of Things transforms supply chains with real-time visibility and automated monitoring throughout distribution networks. Asset tracking and condition monitoring work together to protect product quality from origin to destination. Multiple technologies, including GPS, RFID, sensors, and cloud platforms, collaborate to create comprehensive tracking systems. The benefits are substantial, encompassing cost savings, faster deliveries, and improved customer satisfaction. While challenges exist in implementation, they can be overcome with proper planning and gradual deployment strategies. Future innovations like artificial intelligence and 5G networks will make IoT supply chains even more powerful and efficient. Supply Chain IoT is revolutionizing logistics by providing unprecedented transparency, control, and efficiency across distribution networks. Start small, scale gradually, and embrace the connected future of supply chain management.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.